Hey, what's up, what's up, what's up? How you doing? How you been? What's going on? What's good? Oh, you getting it in? Somebody's getting it for you. What's good, people? Woo, what's good, people? Today, another day we call Wednesday. Anybody been said what's good, people? Oh, I just want to put you straight up and straight in. We're talking in reference to today of Texas, a place, I don't know if you know this, but it is not recognizable when it comes to gay marriages and stuff like this. Okay, I'm going to tell you a little story that I was reading about online and stuff like that, just to keep you aware, just in case you decide you want to get married or something like that, and make you more aware of your surroundings when it comes to the state that you want to get married in. Now, there is a couple by the name of Jason, Hannah, and Joe Riggs. They've been together for 6 years, and they've been married for 2 years. Now, they decided that they wanted to have a baby, which they went and got a surrogate mother. Her name is Charlene. She became a surrogate mother for them. She's already done it before, but this is the first time she ever done it with a gay couple. Now, they had a baby and stuff like this, and this is them with their baby. Okay, you see them, a beautiful couple. And the thing about it is that, they're just trying to move forward since they've already been married and stuff like that for 2 years, and they got married, I believe, in the state of Washington, D.C. And the thing about it is that they're married and stuff like that, but they could not put their kids on their birth certificate because the simple fact of the matter is that in Texas, they don't honor gay couples. And the family court denied them legal protection for their family. And the thing about it is that they have petitioned a judge and stuff like that, because they wanted to, put their names in their birth certificate. After all, they were their children. It's not like they got somebody to care, stuff like that. It was actually their, legitimate children. So the thing about it was that they partitioned the judge in Fort Worth, and the name for their birth certificates that they wanted, which they got denied. Now, the thing about it is that when it comes to places when you go to, as far as Texas, which I didn't know this, but maybe you knew it, maybe you didn't, but you know now. Anyway, the Texas, as in 17 other states in the law, is unclear whether LGBT parents should jointly adopt, meaning that family protection judge to judge, state to state, country to country. Now, the state doesn't acknowledge Jason and Joe's marriage. But it's funny because, they're already married and they have their kids and stuff like this. These are legally their children with their bloods and stuff like that. And the thing about it is that it is not acknowledged when it comes down to states. So basically, they're just together when it comes down to this state. So they refuse to put them on the birth certificate and stuff like that. And, they're trying to get their word out and stuff like that, as reference to why is this happening to us. We have our own kids, we have our own family. Why can't we just go on? And the sad part about it is that we have so many people out here that have kids that don't even want to take care of their kids. And now you have two people who've had a baby and stuff like that they don't even want to even put them on a birth certificate. So who's going to pay for these kids? Basically, so what they did was they tried to even do, try to work around it because they, wanted to, but maybe they're thinking that, that they could do a second parenting thing, since they couldn't put themselves on, second parent and stuff like that. They said no. The judges said no. We don't acknowledge that. That's even worse. So it was like, you're living in 2014, and they're denied protection of their kids, of their own kids. And it's so sad that we've come to a world of state to state that don't agree with LGBT. And the thing about it is that I know a lot of times, and I try to tell people, we try to fight for us and stuff like that, and always fight against us, going against each other, because we have more than enough people that's going against us as well. And the thing about it is that we need each other more than we know, and we need to stand with each other more than you know. It should really hit you sometimes when you see a gay couple fighting for something, or a gay person being gay bashed, or a transgender woman being murdered. You have to really realize these are pieces of the puzzle. Pieces of the puzzle to your family. They're linked to you. remember, the same blood things that's happened to them is the same blood things that happen to you. And I'm not saying, you know, when it comes to straight people and stuff like that, that they're, you know, oh no, stay away from them. That's not what I'm saying, because there are people out here that really don't care what y'all do, as long as y'all, you know, do the right thing and, you know, don't commit no crime trying to murder nobody, kill nobody. They don't care what you do in your bed. They don't care what you do. You know, they don't really care about that. But there's some people who's going to find a problem with what you do, and they will go out to try to murder you, partition. They'll do anything about it. It was a guy that was trying to get a petition set up to anybody who announced they were gay, that they wanted them to be shot and killed. You know, and it's the thing about it. I always try to talk to you guys and let you know, we need to try to work much more together instead of trying to go against each other. But hey, it's just me. And I did a video yesterday in reference to, you know, transsexuals attacking the hated tranny, and I was attacked because of my hair. A girl told me she hated my hair and stuff like that, and I looked at ratchet, and you know, and normally I would have just took it out, but after she said that, I said, well, I guess I'll keep it in. You know, because it amazes me that they lost the focus of what I was trying to say of working towards unity, but people hear what they want to hear. Whatever they don't want to hear, they're not going to hear it. You know, it is what it is. And I just want to put this information out there in reference to these two guys that's going through something right now. Can you imagine holding your baby to the point where they could feel as though they could come and just take your kids? I'm not saying that that could happen legally. I don't know. Allegedly, it is something very strange when you can't even put the kids down on a birth certificate as your child. So who's the child could be? Could the kids be taken away from them? I don't know. You know, and it's so weird that they shouldn't be going through anything like that. To me, it's very important that two fathers actually step to put their name on the birth certificate, willingly want to take care of their kids. Because a lot of times when women are struggling out by this, they're not going to say just women. Some men are taking care of their kids as well. Anyway, I want to know how you feel about this, and I want to say hello, all new people. Boom. I want to say old people. Bam. And I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I want you to do you. I want you to do you the best way that you can. And if nobody don't like it, then fuck them. All right.